The FCX-18 Hummer EV truck by FMS is a game-changer in the world of scale RC crawlers, blending cutting-edge realism with serious off-road performance. This officially licensed Hummer EV replica captures the bold, futuristic styling of the full-size electric truck, down to its aggressive stance, rugged fender flares, and intricate detailing. Under the hood, the FCX-18 is built to tackle any terrain with a high-torque 130 motor, 2-speed transmission, and portal axles, giving it incredible crawling ability and ground clearance. The truck's four-wheel drive drivetrain and oil-filled shocks ensure smooth articulation over rough trails, while its 2.4 GHz radio system provides precise control. But the real standout? The scale realism. From the LED light system that mimics the real Hummer EV's lighting signature to the detailed interior and rugged all-terrain tires, this RC truck looks as good as it performs. And with a ready-to-run RTR setup, you can hit the trails right out of the box. Whether you're a collector, an off-road enthusiast, or just looking for a unique and capable RC rig, the FMS FCX-18 Hummer EV delivers an unbeatable mix of scale realism, technology, and trail-ready performance.